a CEO of Twitter.
Hey, it's Haz and Katsu here. I'm finally back from the land down under, just in time for our last episode of this season.
Yes, and what a season it's been. We've had drama, there's been tears, there's even been some laughter, John McAfee, and a few near misses. Roll the montage, Katsu.
Yes, roll that tape, it's happening.
Join forces with a crypto payment.
Anyone that doesn't have the internet.
Guys, an ASIC will do the trick.
National digital cryptocurrency in 2020.
All right, thanks. That's a wrap for me. And
1, 2, 3. A big shout out to everyone who has helped us host this season. We're taking a quick break, but don't worry, your favorite crypto channel will be back in no time.
Yes guys, no need to be panicked. We'll be back in just a few weeks for another series to keep you up to date with all the latest crypto headlines.
But first, let's dive straight into this week's Hot Topics. Last week saw the stock market crash amidst the global fears around the coronavirus outbreak. Now, the Fed has cut the interest rate by 50 basis points down to a target range of 1% to 1.25%. The Fed said the move was a response to the evolving risk to economic activity that the coronavirus poses. Will it provide a boost? Crypto and gold also had a tough time, with Bitcoin shedding 8.9% of its market cap within the first 2 days of the outbreak. We've had a rocky start to the new decade, with 2020 seeing World War III threats, bushfires, and now an epidemic. This has led to economic debates on whether or not crypto is a safe haven. The verdict's still out though. Where do you stand? Tell us in the comments below. Next up, in San Francisco, blockchain giant Ripple has been named amongst one of the top 100 most important cross-border payments companies. It was the only crypto-related company to make the list, making waves, Ripple. In semi-related and equally exciting news, we've added XRP to the Luno platform. Be sure to check it out. Over in India, in a historic decision, the Supreme Court has overturned the central bank's 2-year ban on cryptocurrency trading in the country. The ban, which stopped banks and other financial institutions from facilitating any service in relation to virtual currency, was overruled on the grounds of disproportionality. A massive market opening for crypto. How will it change the space? And finally, celebrities are under siege for promoting ICOs. The SEC is out for justice, ordering actor Steven Seagal for promoting the BitGo ICO without disclosing he was paid for it. He's been asked to pay back over $330,000.
What are you grinning at, huh?
Meanwhile, rapper T.I. got away with his alleged promotion of the Flick ICO. Then there's comedian Kevin Hart. He's still waiting on a verdict for his role. Okay, that's a wrap for me. I'll see you next time in the run-up to the halving.
Hey, and welcome back to the final word of the tweet of the season. I've got all the Twitter news that you can squeeze into your morning coffee. Let's kick this week off with the king of Twitter and Bitcoin hype man, Jack Dorsey. Could he really be on the way out? Well, billionaire Paul Singer's investment group has taken a large stake in his company. And according to those familiar with the matter, they've got really big plans. Starting with Dorsey's removal. Removing Jack, a CEO of Twitter, would deprive Bitcoin of one of its best advocates and promoters in the tech industry. Make your feelings felt. Don't let it happen. Hashtag pray for Jack. The Simpsons has made some eerie predictions in recent years.
When I do the best bribes, everyone says so. The best!
Now it seems they predicted the future of money. In their most recent episode, Sprintcoin, Jim Parsons of Big Bang Theory appeared as a guest on the show to explain how cryptocurrencies and how a blockchain works. It went sort of well, but you don't get more mainstream than The Simpsons.
Kachinga.
Next up, there was a little bit of drama at Steam. Fresh off the high of his lunch with Warren Buffett, Justin Sun seems to have seized control of the Steam blockchain, blaming hackers with the apparent help of several prominent crypto exchanges, including Binance. There have been a few developments since. There was a lot of confusion and denial around what was actually going on. Whatever the truth, Justin sure knows how to stay in those Twitter headlines.
When you play the Game of Thrones, you win or you die.
And we close this season with the popular artist Youngster's CPT's latest song, giving Bitcoin a shout out, and we're loving it.
Open our own businesses, we let the kids join. Teach them about the currency as if it's Bitcoin.
Okay guys, that's a wrap from us for season 2. Thank you so much for joining, commenting, feeding back. We hope you've enjoyed the season. Spray a bit of your best sanitizer on that subscribe button before you hit it to make sure you stay up with all of our latest content. Lots of exciting things coming. But until then, and as always, #2Move.